Good people of YouTube land, this is Bizzarefurhead striking back at the wonderful YouTubers. So I got what I'm going to call the PTO mag clutch for the John Deere today. Well, yesterday, but it's on today. And the one I got is Outdoor Power Home Equipment. The reason I got it is because it's got a much bigger bearing on it and it looks better built. I'll get under the tractor here and I'll show you what it looks like. But I wanted to show you guys the instructions that came with it. You know, it tells you the spec for the meter, and it tells you exactly how to do it. It tells you about your clutch and all that jazz, and everything like that. Very good instructions here. I will say when you get to the torquing part and you're supposed to hold the D-ring with an adjustable wrench and torque it down, you wish you were an octopus at that point. But let's get down and under there. Let's turn our wheels the other way now. So we got plenty of room to work here. And when we get down under here, we can see the new clutch itself. It's all shiny and good. And if we look under there, you can see that great big blue bearing in there. And it was pricey, but it was worth it, you know. The only hard thing is the instructions, because the instructions in here say there's a counterclockwise style and there's a clockwise style, and I'm hoping I have that set up right, because I don't want it to fail, and I hope I have it set right. I don't really think it should matter too much, but we're gonna find out the hard way. The big difference was on this clutch, there's an electrical pigtail that goes up and under, so it's not exactly like the OEM, because the OEM, this pigtail goes to that mag clutch under there, and it's pretty easy to put in that way. But because this is different, we're gonna find out that way. It's in there exactly the old way that the mag clutch is in, but we're gonna get in there. Then here's our mower deck, and our belt on the deck actually has a pretty gnarly split in it, but we're gonna see if it holds together, because boy howdy do I need to cut my jungle back here. And well, I need to get a carburetor for that thing and a gasket, because its carburetor's junk and it doesn't start. But yeah, so hopefully we can get this guy back together. I got some more cotter keys for it because I absolutely destroyed some pulling it apart. Not exactly sure why I destroyed them, but as you can see, they're destroyed. Good for the scrap pile. But want to check in with you guys on YouTube land and tell you that just trucking along on the little John Deere, it seems like everything is wrong with it. But that's typical John Deere fashion, you know. If you can't design something good, you just slap that name on it. Well, that's enough about me putting enough hate on John Deere. And then we got the Jeep going, and the Jeep's running. Well, I got the new sensor on it, and the sensor's installed on it. And it'll fire up. Let's give her a crank. It's got a check engine light on it now, which is interesting. But it'll fire up. Oh, that check engine light's off now. And it'll sit and run. Yesterday I had it running for about half an hour or so, just at idle. And only once did it do its little hiccup, but it never died. It never once died. So this here, again, is Bizzarefurhead checking in with you guys with an update on the Jeep and the little yard tractor. Signing off, guys. Have a good one and stay frosty.